A militant war veterans leader, blessed Bombshell Geza, who recently launched a scathing attack on President Emerson Mnangagwa, demanding his resignation and vowing to thwart his alleged plans to extend his rule beyond 2028, has become the target of a concerted campaign to discredit him. The escalating tensions come amidst reports of an audio recording implicating Geza. Geza has been a vocal critic of President Mnangagwa, repeatedly calling for his resignation and accusing him of failing the country. His outspoken stance has drawn significant attention to his activities and whereabouts, making him a target for those loyal to the president. Adding to the pressure, the state has put Basil Nyabadza, former Agricultural and Rural Development Authority (ARDA) board chairman, on notice that his remand will be removed if Geza does not appear in court on February 25 in a case where Nyabadza is accused of defrauding Geza of $362,000 in a land deal. According to prosecutor Anisu Chirenge, Geza bought a piece of land measuring 42.3504 hectares from Nyabadza for $362,000 on October 29, 2020. Chirenge said Geza was granted sole authority to subdivide, develop, and sell the land. When the agreement of sale was done, Nyabadza allegedly misrepresented to Geza that the piece of land had title deeds which he would avail in a month. However, he failed to deliver. Chirenge told the court that while Geza was in the process of obtaining subdivision permits for the land from the Department of Physical Planning in Mashonaland West Province, he discovered that Nyabadza had sold the same land to Velda Estates. The court heard that Geza engaged Nyabadza hoping for an amicable solution, only to discover that his agreement of sale had been cancelled without his knowledge. Geza was allegedly prejudiced of $362,000 and nothing was recovered. Adding to the intrigue, Zimai reports that police's Cide Law and Order have summoned war veterans Firebrand blessed Geza's wife to their Harare Central Police Station. "We've sent our boys to law and order right now. If they harass Geza's wife, it will be war," Cde Mabhunu tells 1002 News in Africa. The ZRP has also been actively searching for Geza, who faces multiple criminal charges, including theft and undermining the authority of the president. In a recent statement, the ZRP urged the public to provide information on Geza's location, warning that anyone harboring or assisting him would face arrest and prosecution. Despite the police's efforts, Geza's current whereabouts remain unknown. Some have reported that he fled the country while others alleged that he is being housed at Josiah Magama Tongagra Barracks, formerly known as KG6 Barracks. The situation is further complicated by the emergence of what appears to be grey propaganda targeting Geza. Grey propaganda is a type of propaganda that does not clearly identify its source or intention, leaving things unclear. It is a common and prevalent form of propaganda that is used to promote a hidden sponsor's agenda. The purveyor and source of information are never directly credited, the sponsor's identity is specifically concealed, and the information given could be true or false, but the aim is to damage the target's reputation. The agenda is primarily to discredit the target and promote the sponsor's agenda in a way that is more palatable and plausible to the target audience for impact. A controversial audio has emerged where an unidentified man is spitting vicious words against Geza, whom he is accusing of lying that he was sent by Vice President Chiwenga to do what he did and that he, Geza, used them for free without paying them their dues.